I'll guide you through instantly securing your Gmail account by logging out from any device, even a lost phone remotely, without needing to manually find that device. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Let's start with how to log out of a device in your possession on a desktop PC. Open a web browser and navigate to the Gmail website at gmail.com. Click your profile picture or initial in the top right corner to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu displays your currently active account at the very top and a list of all other accounts you are signed into below the main account. If only one account is active, click Sign Out to sign you out. If multiple accounts are active, click Sign Out of all accounts. This ensures all Google sessions linked to this browser are terminated. To log out using the mobile app, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner and tap Manage Account on this device. Select the account you want to sign out of. Tap Remove from this device and confirm the action. This prevents the phone from accessing the account without a new sign-in. To remotely log out of Gmail when a device is not in your possession, tap your profile icon again. Select Manage your Google account. Tap Security and sign in. Scroll down to the Your Devices section. Select Manage all devices. Select the suspicious device or session. You might be asked to confirm by logging in with biometrics or a password. Choose the Sign Out option and confirm to forcibly terminate the session on that remote device. If you signed out of an unfamiliar device, then you need to change your password. To learn how to change your password on Gmail correctly, click to watch this video right here. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more Google Apps video tutorials and check the description below for advanced tips. Thanks for watching.